So you're welcome to this class. Today we are going to be looking at a fantastic way of importing and analyzing data. I would like you to just follow me as we go on this. Thank you so much. So the next thing we're going to do now is to open up your Excel. So let's do that. Open up your Excel. This is the data we are going to be using. And what we are going to import this data in our Excel and our R Studio. So this data is talking about different kind of cars that is having origin from USA and non-USA. All right. So the first thing you need to do here is to save. So let's save this document. We are going to save it as, okay, we save it at the desktop. So we're going to save this as the text tab delimited. So when you do that, do you want to yes? Do you want to keep on this format? So we click on yes. The next one is to open up your R Studio. So this is R Studio. So we are going to import that data into this R Studio. So how do you do that? Come to this, you come to this import data set. So you click on the what from text base. So from here, we know we save this on our desktop. The name of the data is car and 1993. So from there, you click OK. So this is the interface of the way your data is going to show on the R Studio. Then we import. Okay, fantastic. So this is the data. So the sweet thing about R Studio, we will what analyze and tell you the what you have. Eventually, you have 22 observations of 12 variables. So if you look at this, you see at this place, this is the what? The view card. So that means that your data set is being what? Successfully downloaded and imported to the R Studio. So the first thing you're going to do now is to add yours, use attach. Okay, you see attach. Then you attach that what document and use this, use OK. Okay, so let's check that. All right. So let's go on. So from here, you can analyze what anything you want to do here. So now you can look for a mean, the mean of the what? Let's check the price of the car. So the price, okay, the price, the mean of the price. So this is the mean. So you can do that as much as possible. Then the mean, you can find the mean of the city MPG CTMPG, See, is showing up the document description, the variable description. So that is the main. So you can also do summary. So you can summarize your data set. So let's summarize the type. You can summarize the type. Okay. So the summary will give you different kind of outcome. Great. So you have the minimum, the first quarter, the medium, the mean, the third quarter, and the maximum. So this is a comprehensive analysis. And also, you can also do that for all. So you can look at the what histogram. So let's look at histogram. We can draw what a visualization of this. Let's draw the visualization of the type and see how it will look like. Okay, the first thing when you want to do, you put the data name first, data name, then you put your arch, then you put the type, which is the data we want to analyze. So that will give you, so you can see this is the what the histogram of the type. So from here you can import your data as what, look at it. So if you try to save it to show up, okay, you can see how beautiful the histogram. So you can also do this for any of these variables as you want analyze them. So by that, you will have a comprehensive analysis of the data. So you can do that also. Let's look for the summary. Okay, the summary of another one. Let's check the horsepower. Check the horsepower. The horsepower. So you see, the horsepower is going to tell us, oh, fine, that the minimum horsepower is 555. So you have the what? The mean, which is 136.05. So you can also draw, let's check how the histogram is going to be. So, okay, you can also find the what? The standard deviation of the horsepower. let's check that the standard deviation of the horsepower. Okay, and this is red. So that is it. So let's quickly look at the histogram. Let's see how the graph is going to look like. The histogram of the horsepower. So don't forget the document first. Document name. You put your what, your sign, and you put which one do you want to want. You want to find the horsepower. Then you click on this. You look at this. So beautiful. So see, this is the image, the visualization showing us the histogram of the horsepower. So that is it. Thank you for joining this class. Try what? Import your Rstudio and do some analysis and importing with Rstudio. So beautiful. Meet you in the next class. Thank you so much.